Hey guys, Keith here. Sunday, the Bobcat guy. Blowing out sprinklers. Check the temperature up here. I believe it's like -5. You can see we're blowing sprinklers out today. There's Mike. This one needed menthol hydrate to get it going. The lines coming out of the house were froze. So we got about 4 houses to do in this area. And then we're going to head down to another area today. Try to get as many done. They're calling for snow tonight. So stay tuned. Hey guys, I don't know if you can tell, but it's snowing. 3 a.m. Out checking the sites that I've signed up. Of course, you can tell my truck's banging away. But yeah, we're back to the snow business again, as you can see. So guys, about 3:30, not enough snow to go out. So we're going to go back to bed. I got Mike looking after the rest of the sprinkler blowouts in the morning. And I get the rest of the crew working on getting our stuff ready and getting the shop cleaned out so we can get our snow removal stuff ready, because it's coming sooner this year. So we'll be back in about 3 hours. Well, we'll be back in 4 hours. I gotta get some sleep. Well, we're back, and as you can see, we have snow. Lots of it. I just gotta look down here so I don't kill myself. Oh, the cleanup fairy never showed up. Hey guys, so this has been an interesting week. I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate the 10 subscribers for my new channel. The Bobcat Guy was a channel that was created quite a while ago, but I left some of the content on another channel, New Roads. But this one here is going to be totally to do with Bobcat. So please stay tuned. Try to do a new video every week. And yeah, I enjoy hanging out with you guys. And check out some of these videos that are past. And look forward to each week having a new video. As long as we got content, I'll be making video. See you guys. Thanks, and have fun.